First of all, you just log in your YouTube channel, then go to this icon, and from here click on YouTube Studio. Just click on it, and then go to settings option from left menu. Then from this left menu, click on channel, and then press on advanced settings and scroll down. Go to this option, remove YouTube content, click on it. Just type here your existing YouTube password and then press next. Then from this option, I want to permanently delete my content. Select this and follow this 2-step. Allow and delete account. Type here your existing email address and delete my content. Click on it. That's it. Your account has been deleted permanently. Thanks for watching.